All right, there is no orthodox way of knocking down a building. I have no experience at this. We're just trying our best. What we want to do is see if we can make this part fall down. I've been beating the snot out of it with a crowbar, but this time, since I don't have a sledgehammer, I'm going to use the butt end of an axe. And let's see what happens. Okay, they didn't work out too good, so let's see if we can pull it down with the truck. And if this don't work, we're just gonna call it a day.
Your shop should have been called Timex. It takes a licking and keeps on ticking.
Well, I guess we'll just keep pulling joists out until the whole thing comes down. Oh well. But we're going to do that tomorrow some. Until then, we'll see you tomorrow. Ready to go. Why not utilize the means when someone's got a tractor nearby, right? Here's the moment I've been waiting for. Get this thing down before it does to my house like the neighbor's tree did to the garage. And here it is a weekend later. Actually, it's not a weekend, it's actually Thursday and it's Thanksgiving Day. So happy Thanksgiving to you guys out there. That is, if you happen to see this video being uploaded by Thanksgiving Day, which I doubt it, but nevertheless, hope you had a great Thanksgiving by now. And here it is, the slab of what is left of the Saddle Tramp garage. And this is about as far as I can go. There's the pile of the debris right there from the garage. Anyway, I already showed you guys this stuff since the live feed that you saw, but hey, seeing how spotty and how kind of sketchy and how kind of unclear that playback resolution was on the video, I figured I might give you guys a better, clear picture. But this is it. And as you can see back there, I have no great big oak tree back there that's wanting to fall on the house either. So I'm glad I got that taken care of. What's in the future for what to do next? Obviously, I want to build a new garage. You guys want me to build a new garage, and that is in the works. Just got to get a few things out of the way. Like, for starters, got to rid of a dumpster to get that debris out of here. And also, for what I want to do, I got to get rid of this tree right here, this birch tree, because when I rebuild, I want to go with a bigger shop. Right now, this slab is 18 wide by 20 deep. And what I want to do, I want to go another 6 feet that way, making it 24 feet wide and 30 feet deep. So basically, I want to try and go with a 24 by 30 building, and preferably, after much thought, I think it's going to be a metal building. So why? Well, because metal buildings tend to be a little bit more durable. They're cheaper to put up, and also, well, the termites don't like to eat metal. But with a metal building, you know, you have plenty of options. You know, I can always get the thing put up and then frame it up on the inside to make it look like a wooden garage. But actually frame it up on the inside to make it more user friendly. Maybe have a loft up here somewhere. How tall the building will be, I don't know, but I have been looking on the internet, been looking on certain websites where you can design your own building, looking at the prices of what it will cost and all that kind of stuff. But this is a new avenue for me, a new area of life. Never had to deal with this before. I mean, my stuff is all over the place, but I got all the important stuff locked up. So the stuff that if it ever got missing because it was laying out, you know, that stuff, it won't hurt my feelings. Anyway, what else to do? Well, I do know one thing I've been wanting to do for a little while, and well, yep, I just wanted to get out and ride this motorcycle just to see how rideable the thing still is. As I said on the video where the tree came off the rubble of the garage, I told you guys, I showed you guys where this bike was damaged. Obviously that mirror is gone, and some other things like the headlight bucket being dented in real bad, knocked off the center. And I'll tell you what, whatever did that had some serious force, because I had a hard time moving this headlight back over this way, and it's still not quite center yet. And of course the front fender. Now I noticed that the front fender is also off center. It's not just dented, but it's off center a little bit. And also the nacelle has a ding in it, and the fork tube guard has a little bit of a ding in it. All in all, what I thought was really cool, like I was wondering if the handlebars were okay, judging by how hard this got hit. Even the controls were knocked down a little bit. But check it out, I mean, my elbows are still bent the same. It doesn't feel like the bars have bent at all like I thought they were. So that's cool. But nonetheless, I just so wanted to get on this motorcycle and then feel this Evo run again. I mean, it's not like the Electric Glide, it's rubber mounted, I can't feel the motor. And it's not like the Tramp, where even though on the Tramp I feel like I'm doing something, it's a whole different kind of doing something. But on this bike, I just love the feel of this motor. It's definitely not the fastest bike in the world compared to modern technology, but however, I just wouldn't trade it for anything. I wouldn't trade it for any of those new stuff. Nothing wrong with the new stuff. I just love this bike. Anyway, blah, 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 blah. But yeah, guys, I think I want to go with a bigger building. Not necessarily just because bigger is better. I don't buy into that mantra. But in my case, bigger would be better. I mean, I was always having to move motorcycles out of the garage just so I can move around. I think it would definitely be beneficial to the channel. It would be beneficial to what I need to do and stuff like that. And anyway, that's what I'm looking forward to do. But I'm going to tell you what, you guys have been a great big help. You know, with the generosity of you guys combined with some other things, it looks like there's a good possibility that I can rebuild and even go better. So I'm not saying please contribute to this. Like I said, I just left that door open for those who just want to be a part of the rebuild. What I am saying is thank you so much, because I am so taken back by what you guys have done already. I mean, I don't feel like it's my channel anymore. I feel like it belongs to you guys as well. I don't know how to explain it and put it into words, but it's a good thing. And I am so grateful to have you guys around, because it shows me that you guys just care so much, and that my videos and this channel is not done in vain. I know that I already said that on a live feed, but I just cannot say it enough. It looks like this motorcycle, even though it took the beating and the rest came out all right, it's alive and well. It's just got some cosmetics to take care of. It looks like the fender situation may be okay as far as getting it fixed, because my good buddy Mark over at Scooters, he does some work that, well, when he gets done with a repair, he puts it like this: it is my job to make it look like nothing ever happened. And I tell you what, by judging his work, it definitely looks like that. Anyway, that's that. And also a great big, like I said, thank you to every one of you guys. Thank you all for your love and your support and your prayers and your reaching out. I mean, it is keeping me going. It is a little bit of a struggle as far as what kind of content to come up with, because like I said, everything revolved around that garage and motorcycle content. I guess I'll have to be a little bit more creative, but thank you so much to you who said it's all about me. even though I'm not trying to be about me, but you guys said it's my personality that keeps you there. So thank you for your kindness in that. But however, I guess this is it right now, and I literally have no idea what I'm going to film next. Before the garage fell down, I had all kinds of ideas. But whatever it is, I hope to keep it interesting, and you guys keep the rubber side down, and you be good to yourselves, and thanks a lot.